Why have food companies destroyed health? I think that the food companies do a lot of lobbying. And so sometimes they get away with putting things in food that maybe we know are not great for us, right? So like if you follow the food babe, she's very vocal about this, but we allow things in this country in food that they don't allow in other countries. Like Europe banned, Australia banned, United States eat it. Give it to our kids. Let's advertise about it. Like great, ridiculous. And all that happens because of the lobbying and the money that the food companies give to the government, in my opinion. Now, I don't think that it was all malicious to begin with, maybe. Like at the beginning, if you go back to Vietnam War in the 70s, like when the government and the food industry was saying, we don't need as much protein as we thought we did. Maybe they were saying that because there was a scarcity of protein. They knew they couldn't necessarily feed all these soldiers going off to war the amount of protein that they thought. I mean, I don't know. But a lot of it is misinformation. A lot of it's not good nutritional health information. But there's been so many things that the food industries throw at you, right? Like you don't need as much protein as initially we said. If you eat too much protein, you get kidney damage. Low fat is fine. It's okay to eat low fat. High fat is bad. I mean, that's all ridiculous too. Like a lot of these low fat things have preservatives and sugars added. And so eating the whole fat, just less amount of it would probably be better. So there's just all this controversy and back and forth. Unfortunately, I think the food companies add to the noise by the advertising, and they just get away with a lot of things they maybe shouldn't because they have a lot of money, which is what happens in this country. But it is very interesting that if you look at places like Europe and Australia, where they have universal health care and the government actually has to pay to take care of sick people, they don't let them put stuff in the food like they do here.